Trying to find a TikTok video you've watched before? While TikTok doesn't have a watch history feature, there is a way you can find videos you've seen before. In this video, I'll show you how to find TikTok videos you've already seen. Now let's get started. To begin, open TikTok and tap Discover. In the search bar at the top, type in what you're looking for. You can search for the topic of the video, the creator's name, or a hashtag or sound they might have used. To filter the search results, tap the Filters icon. Then tap the switch labeled Watched Videos to enable this filter. Then tap Apply. After that, your search results will be filtered to show videos related to your search query that you've previously watched. If no previously watched videos are found, you'll see other relevant videos instead. This is a super useful trick if you're trying to find a video that you didn't save to your likes. If you did like a video, you can easily find your liked videos on your TikTok profile. Tap the heart icon on your profile to view videos you've previously liked. That's all it takes to find TikTok videos you've already seen.